Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to fix your new SSD not showing up. So first of all, go into your search bar and type in disk management. You will see this option, create and format hard disk partitions. Click on it. Now over here, if you have installed a new device, you will see an option called initialize new disk. You just have to click on next, next and next. And if you want to make it bootable, then you have to select GPT, I think. And if you want to just use it as normal storage, then you have to select the other option. Once you have initialized it, uh, you will see it over here. Like, I have two drives, this one is an HDD and this one is an SSD. So you will see on the SSD bar, you will see it will say unallocated space. Like, I have already initialized this one, that's why I don't have that, but it will be saying unallocated space. Then you have to right click it, and I think there will be an option called extend volume or something, and it will open up a wizard installation menu. You just have to do that, and once you have done that, your SSD should be showing up in your file explorer and in your windows. Okay, that's it for today's video. If you liked it, please make sure to hit the subscribe button.